I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of Mark chapter 14, and I'm going to read from verse 3. This is what the word of God says. And being in Bethany at the house of Simon the leper, as he, Jesus, sat at the table, a woman came having an alabaster flask of a very costly oil of spikenard. Then she broke the flask and poured it on his head. Verse 4. But there were some who were ignorant among themselves and said, why was this fragrant oil wasted? Verse 5. For it might have been sold for more than 300 denarii and given to the poor. And they criticized her sharply. My brother and my sister, this morning I want to speak on criticism. Do you feel criticized? Do you feel that people have criticized you for doing good? Well, here is a woman that broke a very expensive oil over Jesus and anointed Jesus, and the people criticized her sharply because she broke that oil, that flask of oil, and anointed Jesus. My brother, my sister, you will always be criticized by people for doing good. But my brother, my sister, the word of God says, do not give up. Do not give in when doing good, my brother, my sister, in spite of being criticized by people for doing good. Yeah, this woman done a good thing. She anointed Jesus for his burial, but people criticized her sharply because of what she done. Then Jesus says in verse 6, but Jesus said, let her alone. Why do you trouble her? She has done a good work for me. She done a good work for Jesus, but people criticized her. My brother, my sister, you might feel right now that you've been criticized for doing a good thing, and you want to give up in doing good. You want to give in. You want to throw in the towel, as they say. My brother, my sister, do not give in doing good. Do not give up. Don't throw in the towel because you were criticized for doing good. Here is this woman. She done a good thing for Jesus, but people criticized her. My brother, my sister, don't give up right now. Don't give in because of doing a good thing, because of people criticizing you. Continue doing good.